Are you a veteran suffering from ringing ears? The VA is now offering the SoundCure Serenade Tinnitus Treatment Device, which has already helped many people find relief.
Tinnitus, or ringing in the ears, is often a debilitating condition that can severely reduce the quality of life for those affected. Most commonly the result of damage to the auditory system, tinnitus is the #1 disability affecting veterans. In the military, exposure to weapon systems, aircraft, and other loud equipment that can cause hearing damage is a daily occurrence. According to the American Tinnitus Association, it is the #1 service-connected disability resulting from the global war on terror, more common even than PTSD.
Recently, the Veterans Affairs Department began offering the SoundCure Serenade Tinnitus Treatment System. American soldiers returning from service abroad and other veterans who suffer from debilitating tinnitus now have access to this advanced treatment. Serenade is a handheld device that is customized to each user. Its unique treatment sounds were developed by leading university hearing researchers to bring relief to tinnitus sufferers.
If you are in the military or are a veteran suffering from tinnitus, see a VA audiologist and ask about Serenade. Your hearing and tinnitus should be tested to see if Serenade is the best treatment to bring you the relief you are looking for.